Well, hello everybody in YouTube land. Today we're going to try and fix this lawnmower there. Well, I say try and fix, we're going to bodger it. Now this lawnmower is about 20 years old, and the problem is the plastic casing is starting to fracture round about where the back wheels are. So the wheels are dropping off. Anyway, for this job we are using this epoxy glue here. Right, so let's mix it. Okay, now let's try and apply the glue. I may have to spend 10 minutes with this screwdriver up against the plastic to make sure it fits or sticks properly. I of course have no idea what I am doing. Right, try and move the screwdriver. It has stuck. Right, let's leave that for a couple of hours. The plastic fatigue on the other side of the lawnmower, where the back wheel goes, was much worse. So here I just drilled a hole in the plastic, put another bolt in it with a washer, and the edge of the washer overlaps the crack. It's kind of holding it down. Of course, I've applied some epoxy glue to that side as well. No idea if this will work. Here is the make, serial number of the lawnmower. Very interesting. And right, there you go. Wheels are back on. I've got that joint. There it is. Other side. Okay. Seems to be holding. So, should be good for at least another half hour. Right then. Bye.